This request is from Omniversal Insect. Tonight's will be Ballweevil from Ben 10 Omniverse. One of the newest aliens for Ben 10 Omniverse. Well, Omniversal Insect, I am pleased to accept your request. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song. Come on, let's hit the road. Get ready, here we go. 1, 2, 3, let's play. Let's play. Come on and follow me. You can give me some speed. 1, 2, 3, let's play. Let's play. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Keep the pedal to the floor. 7, 8, let's play. Come on, let's hit the road. Get ready, here we go. 1, 2, 3, let's play. Let's play. Come on and follow me. You can give me some speed. 1, 2, 3, let's play. Let's play. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Keep the pedal to the floor. 7, 8, let's play. Come on, let's hit the road.
Ballweevil's special powers include using out his own spit as a weapon, rolling it up into a spear as it grows bigger and bigger and bigger. After he launches it at his opponent, it blows up. Like it's a special weapon.
Come on, let's hit the road. Get ready, here we go. 1, 2, 3, let's play.
What an interesting request, Omniversal Insect. I've been patiently waiting to draw this character myself.
1, 2, 3, let's play. Let's play. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Keep the pedal to the floor. 7.
That's odd. Alexa? Are you alright? Anyhow, here's the centipede arthropod biceps. There. That is how you draw Ballweevil. And Omniversal Insect, if you're watching this, I thank you for helping me pick which alien I should draw next. And if you have any more requests on what the next alien should be, leave a comment below on which one I should draw next. I'm always here. I'm never going to stop. I'm on a mission to draw them all. Anyways, I'm happy you all enjoyed this episode. Please like and rock and subscribe to my channel, and let me know which character you want me to draw next in the comments below. Stegosaurus, see you later.